Aries, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading ngayong July 15 to 21, 2024. So if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. So pakicheck na lang yung information kung gusto niyo mag-book for a private reading. So let's see Aries, ano yung ganap sa inyo? July 15 to 21, 2024. Overall energy, wow, the world. Meron kayong accomplishment, achievement, no? This is also ending a cycle in your life. Alam mo yung feeling na graduate ka, ganon. So parang may accomplishment ka, syempre nakaka-proud yun. And at the same time, nakakalungkot kasi hanggang doon na lang yun. And then there's a new chapter na kailangan mong simulan. Okay? Some of you, opportunities abroad, opportunity to have a business na parang to go international. No? Halimbawa, may negosyo ka, local lang siya. So ngayon, you are gearing towards international trading, ganyan. So very relaxing rin yung energy ninyo. I feel like yung iba sa inyo mag-spend ng time with nature, no? Pwede kayo ay pupunta sa beach kahit tag-ulan na. Mainit pa rin naman kasi paminsan-minsan. So, what is your challenge? You have the High Priestess. Okay, so ang iba sa inyo, Aries, merong kayong parang hindi kayo ganun ka nagtitiwala sa inyong instinct ngayon. Yung parang nagda-doubt kayo sa inyong decision making. Na tama ba yung naging decision ko? Ito ba? Minsan kasi it creates frustration, anxiety kapag meron tayong kailangan pagdesisyonan kasi it seems na it's a responsibility, no? So may mga ganon na parang you might struggle in making a decision. But with the High Priestess here, this is telling you na to listen to your heart, listen to your instinct, listen to your soul. Kasi you have all the answers that you need. Oo, alam mo na kung ano yung sagot sa hinahanap mo. Sabi nga look within. Look within you. Find it in your heart. Mga ganyan. Let's see your opportunity. The opportunity is, wow, 9 of Cups. Alam nyo, Aries, talagang yung iba sa inyo mag-spend ng time talaga sa beach with nature. Meron kayong wish fulfillment dito. Yung iba sa inyo, kung meron kayong plano na magkaroon ng pet, no, alagang aso, pusa, or kahit na anong hayop, maaring isa yan sa opportunity nyo ngayon na magkaroon ng bagong alaga. Parang meron kayong nahanap na treasure. So some of you, meron ditong naghahanap ng work. Tapos yung work na yon, na-stumble upon nyo lang, parang nakita nyo lang online, ganyan, sinubukan nyo. Tapos hindi nyo kakalain na yun pala yung perfect job na hinahanap ninyo. Kung ano man, kasi ang perfection, actually, nobody's perfect, but meron tayong ideology or ideas about what is perfect for us, no? Depende sa needs natin. Kasi yung iba, perfect sa kanila yung trabaho na work from home kasi may pamilya na sila so that they can look after their kids or mas komportable yun sa kanila. Meron naman na perfect sa kanila yung nagwo-work or nagta-travel papunta sa office, no? Ganon. So, yeah, I think yung opportunity ninyo ng yan ay pwedeng may opportunity kayo na pumili, no? May options, maraming options. And then your blessing is the Knight of Pentacles. So this is financial stability. Maaring kung ikaw yung tipong mahilig mag-ipon, may mararating itong iniipon mo. Kumbaga, you will have more discipline na wag galawin yung iniipon mo. And yung iba sa inyo, there is an investment, no? Investment sa real estate, sa lupa, sa properties na pwedeng parang magda-down ka dito Magda-down ka sa lupa, oo. Kasi yung lupa, siya, parang equity, ganyan. You have the Three of Pentacles. Wow. So this is career growth for some of you. You are seeing your options. Kumbaga, uh, you are looking into your options. Hinahanap mo, tinitingnan mo kung ano yung options mo. Kasi maganda na marami kang options, na makakapamili ka. No? This is also collaboration. Yung iba sa inyo, kung meron kayong plano or in the process kayo ng pag-aasikaso ng paperworks ninyo, documents, sa pagtatrabaho abroad, I see that coming para sa inyo. Merong kontrata rito. There's also renewal ng contract just in case gusto nyo pa magpatuloy sa work na yan. And then the High Priestess is the Two of Wands. Yeah, this is a decision that you have to make. Pwede kasing sa ngayon, parang torn between two situation ka. Let's say, meron kang work ngayon dito sa Pinas, no? Or sa, kung nasaan ka man lugar. And then there's an option sa iba pa. May offer sa iba pa. So you're trying to see saan kaya mas practical, saan mas magbibigay ng growth for you. Kasi yung iba sa inyo marami kayong opportunity ngayon in terms of career, business, investments. So for your opportunity, you have the Nine of Wands. I think, no, itong Nine of Wands na to, ito yung mga sacrifices, efforts ninyo na nagbunga, no? So, ang sarap sa pakiramdam niyan na nakukuha mo or nakuha mo yung resulta ng pinagpaguran mo. So, some of you, meron kayong opportunity to harvest. Harvest yung mga naitanim ninyo. Pwedeng literal, nagtanim kayo ng mais. Nakakatuwa kasi dito sa bintana, sa harapan, may malawak na lote dyan. Oo, kapitbahay lang namin yan. But, nagtanim sila ng mga mais. Oo, ngayon tumutubo na sila. Nakakatuwa lang. So, parang ganon. Na nag-effort ka, na nagtanim ka, and now you are see it growing, 'di ba? Muunlad, lumalago, and eventually, you will have to harvest. Okay? So, Knight of Pentacles is, speaking of harvest, oh my God, ito na nga. The Seven of Pentacles is waiting for fruition. So, kailangan mo lang talaga rito ng patience. Your patience is your blessing. Okay? You get what I mean? Na minsan, pag tayo ay atat o kaya nagmamadali, hindi natin nakukuha yung best na resulta kasi minadali natin eh. But you will be blessed the moment that you become patient. Yan. This really makes sense kasi itong Knight of Pentacles energy is slowly but surely. Okay? Dahan-dahan pero nakikita mo yung results. Makikita mo yung results. Okay? So let's see money, career, finances. You have the Hierophant. So this is teacher energy. Pwede yung iba sa inyo may mentor or kayo yung magme-mentor sa iba. You will share your knowledge and skills to others. Yung iba naman kayo ay may matututunan. Yung napaka-importante na bagay para sa inyong trabaho, career, or business. With the Queen of Vessels, I see you taking care of your career, your business, your finances. Kumbaga may pagpapahalaga ka sa mga natatanggap mo na blessing sa iyong career, sa iyong trabaho, sa negosyo mo. Sa love life, you have the Ace of Pentacles. So there is a new beginning. Pwedeng yung iba sa inyo rin, you are entering a commitment, no? Kasi Six of Pentacles is like an exchange of energy with someone. So pwedeng yung iba, ano to nakikita ko dito, this is a practical type of relationship na sa tingin nyo, practical na pumasok sa ganitong relationship kasi pareho kayo magbe-benefit. But for some of you, if you are in a relationship, meron kayong matatanggap na financial na regalo or suporta galing sa partner ninyo. May betrayal dito. So, maaring be careful sa mga taong makakasalamuhan ninyo, trabaho man yan, career, or sa business. Kasi there is, pwedeng meron ditong tao na merong hindi magandang intentions, no, towards you. But with karma here, kung sino man to, no, na merong ill intentions towards you, Digital ang karma sa kanya. Agad-agad. Mm-mm. Wow, it's your time to shine, Aries. Don't dim your light. The world needs your unique talents and gifts. Shine brightly. Yes, 'di ba? You are going to show the world your talents, yung skill set mo. Ano pa yung mga kaya mong gawin? And through mentorship, no? Yung iba kasi sa inyo rito, expert na kayo eh. Tapos yung expertise ninyo, yun yung i-share ninyo sa iba para makatulong rin kayo, 'di ba? So that is your reading, Aries. Thank you so much. Bye.